Good morning, my little chicks. How are you doing today? I hope that you had a good rest in this short holiday and you are now filled with energy and excitement to start our new classes. Okay? But first of all, I need to tell you that I missed you so much. Okay, do you remember before this short holiday, we were speaking about the plants and we learned about their parts. And we said that the parts of a plant are the flower, stem, leaves, and roots, right? And we spoke about each part and we knew what does each part do. Today we are going to talk about each part in a plant that we use and eat. Okay? We have different parts. So we will see which part in each plant we can eat and use it. Let's start. Now, we can divide plants into fruits and vegetables. Okay, let's start with the fruits. If you look in front of you here on the screen, you will find mangoes, pumpkins, grapes, tomatoes, and peppers also. And by the way, tomatoes and peppers are fruits. Okay? And we also have vegetables. If we look here also, we can find carrots, we can find onions, we can find cauliflower, cabbages, sweet potato, and potato. There are many kinds of vegetables, and I know that you know much more than this. Now let's start by classifying them. First, we will start with the plants that we eat that are considered to be root vegetables, that are considered as root vegetables. First example that we have here is the carrot. Now the carrot, if we look at the picture here, the carrot is a root vegetable. This is something that is so weird for you, I know, but this is real. A carrot, when it grows, if we look here, this is the soil. This is our soil, and the carrot grows under the soil. And above the land, we can see the leaves and the stem. That's why it's considered to be as a root vegetable. So in the carrot, we eat it as a root. Okay? Next example, we have the sweet potatoes. Can you see it? It's full of sand. And we can see also the roots. It's here. When you plug it from the ground, we take the sweet potato with its roots. It's also a root vegetable. Okay? Then we have onions. Of course, all of us know onions. When your mom is doing food at home and she is cutting the onions and it hurts your eyes so much that your eyes start blinking and your eyes start hurting you, right? Now, the onions are also root vegetables. Why are they root vegetables? For the same reason. They grow under the ground. Look, in this picture, there is the soil and there is also the root, and the onion also grows under the ground. And above the ground, we can see the leaves. And there are different colors of onions. We have the white, and we have the red one or the purple one, and we have also this one that is orange color, we can say. So there are three colors of the onions. Next, turnips. Do you know turnips? They are very useful vegetable and they are also root vegetable. This picture here, we can only see a part of the turnip. Now in this picture, these are the turnips. They look like this, okay? But we have a part under the ground, under the soil, and the other part comes above the leaves. We can see the leaves and the stem above the ground, whereas the vegetable is under the ground, okay? And it is called turnip. Now we finished the root vegetables. Let's start with the stem vegetables here. Now the stem vegetables, we said that the stem is the part in the plant that holds it straight. It's tall, and we said sometimes it's green and sometimes it's brown. But we also can have other colors in other countries. Okay? Now, in the stem vegetables, we are going to know about the sugar cane. And you see the sugar cane, it's a very tall plant, okay? It's a stem vegetable. It's a stem vegetable that we can use in many other things in life. Sometimes they take sugar from it. The sugar you put in the tea or your mom puts in the tea or in the coffee or in the cake when she bakes a cake for you at home. This is sugar. The sugar comes from the sugar cane. Okay? They cut its stem and they use it after this. And there is also a juice, you know, the sugarcane juice. It's very helpful and it can help you to grow and make and become stronger and stronger and stronger. We also have the spring onions. Before we said that the onions are root vegetables, right? This is one type of the onions. We have another type from the onions that is called spring onions. Spring onions are considered to be stem vegetables. Why are they called stem vegetables? Because as we see here in these two pictures, they are tall. This is the onion. This is the part that we can eat. Even the green part some people eat. But this is the main part. This is the onion. Here it's not circular shape. It's not in a circle shape. It's tall. It looks like a stem. And we have it white and we have it also purple color. Okay? So the onions, we have onions that are considered to be root vegetables, okay, the normal ones, and there are spring onions which are stem vegetables. Let's complete. Okay, now we are going to talk about the leaves. In some plants, we eat the leaves, right? Okay, let's see how do we eat a leaf. I cannot get a flower and eat its leaf, of course. There are some vegetables that we take them and pluck them from their soil and eat them and eat their leaves. Let's see how many plants we are going to learn about. First, we have the lettuce. You know, of course, the lettuce. It's a tall green part like this. It's all leaves. It is all made up of leaves. And if you see it here in the soil, it looks like a leaf. It's a tall green leaf. We have also the spinach. You know the spinach? It is very important. You need to eat much of it as it contains useful nutrients for you to grow bigger and older and you become smarter. But there is a difference between the spinach leaves and the lettuce leaves. Be careful. Look at the spinach leaves. It's somehow with a bend. It is bending in somehow a circle. Can you see it? How does it look? And here it is in the soil. Look at the leaves, how they look. They are very nice. I love them. Next we have cabbages. Okay, now the cabbages are leaf vegetables. Can you see the leaves? These are the leaves we eat. But now the cabbage's leaves are bigger than the lettuce and the spinach, right? Right. And we have here from the cabbages, we have green color cabbages and we have purple color cabbages. You can put it on the salad. It's very important also. It helps you to grow stronger. We have also molokhaya. Of course, all of us know the molokhaya and we all like it, right? And look at it. The molokhaya is a leaf vegetable. We take the leaves, your mom will cut the leaves out, and then she will make it for you and you will eat the yummy molokhaya at the end. I love it so much. Now we finished the root vegetables, leaf vegetables, and the stem vegetables. We are going to talk about the flower vegetables. Now, from its name, flower vegetables. So these vegetables look like flowers, okay? From these vegetables, we have the cauliflower. Pay attention to the pronunciation. It's a cauliflower, cauliflower, okay? The cauliflower looks here, if you look here in the picture, It's circle and it looks just like the flower. And if you leave it more than this to grow in the soil, it will become bigger and make up again smaller flowers and smaller, and other flowers will become larger. Okay, and here from the in the cauliflower we have the white color and we have purple cauliflowers. They are not found in any place, but some countries also have these purple ones. And we have the broccoli. Okay, now the broccoli is also a flower vegetable. It is very important, you have to eat it, and it's very nice and delicious. The broccoli is a green flower vegetable. As you can see it here, it looks like a flower. It's exactly as if we are seeing in front of us small little flowers attached together, right? Small little ones together. They make up a broccoli, a big broccoli that we can use it and eat it. Now, today our presentation is over. We talked about the flower vegetables, leaf vegetables, root vegetables, and stem vegetables. Now I'll give you 1 minute to remember 5 different foods that we eat that are parts of plant. We spoke about them. Okay? Let's start. Time is over. Now, today our class is over. Okay? I want you to focus on these types of vegetables we took and learn them by heart. They are very important. And after you learn them, I want you to tell your mom and dad what did you learn, and tell them that this is a flower vegetable. What we are eating here is a leaf vegetable. You have to tell them what you have learned. Okay? And in your assignment, I will attach to it a video. If you see it, if you watch it, it's very interesting and you will like it. It's also about the plants that we eat in each part. Okay? And then we are going to discuss this video next class. I hope so that the class was interesting and fun and you liked these vegetables and you enjoyed it. Thank you, lovelies.